Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to change your age on TikTok. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Previously, the ability to change your age used to be available on TikTok easily, but with its latest updates, the function has been removed from TikTok application. It was removed in order to protect minors from inappropriate content on TikTok. But you can still update your birthday on TikTok by contacting customer support. In order to do so, tap open your TikTok application and sign into your account if necessary. From the home screen of TikTok, tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and from your profile page, tap on the three dots at the upper right corner. Now, scroll all the way down and under Support, tap on Report a Problem. From this page, under Select a Topic, tap on Account and Profile. Now, tap on Editing Profile. On the next page, tap on Other at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Still Have a Problem, and on the next page, type in your feedback. For example, I need to update my birthday on my account since the current date is incorrect. You can type in something like that, which describes your problem the best. And after you're done, tap on the Report button at the bottom. Within the next day or two, you should receive an email from TikTok support on the email address associated with your account. That way, you'll be able to update your birthday information on TikTok easily. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.